Okay.
No.
It'll be fine.
Hang on it.
I will if you do.
I'm not gonna do it.
I will if you do.
What is that vine even holding on to? Like,
That branch up there.
right, but like, is it just wrapped around up top?
Yeah, it's...
I'm not pulling on it.
Come on.
No way.
Fine, I will.
Alright,
Here.
go do it. Go do it, that guy. Jump on there. Get on there. Whoa! Oh my God! The whole fucking branch came down. Jesus Christ, Matt!
Get the shit out of me.
Yeah, this all fucking.
Oh, I saw that branch was still up there. I
No,
was like, oh, I'm
you.
cool. And I saw this big motherfucker coming.
Oh my God.